Anna Bretz, and this is Small Biz Talk. Small Biz Talk is a video series brought to you by the Small Business Development Center at Minnesota State University in Mankato. Today I'm joined by Vusa Bentley of Bentley Mediation and Drafting.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
Well, it's so good to have you here. You're a client of the Small Business Development Center. Can you tell us a little bit about what Bentley Mediation and Drafting does?
Sure. First of all, thank you for having me over. Bentley Mediation and Drafting, it's a mediation services business for anyone self-represented or represented by the council for any kind of dispute, really, whether it's a civil or family or fight with a neighbor or within the church or community. It's designed to be a non-judgmental and very effective in terms of cost and professionally presented to you. And also it has a drafting portion designed for any attorneys, again, business owner, if they wish to hire me on an independent contractor, they can do that. And I draft various documents. One of my notable ones is a synopsis of medical records, which basically an analytical document helps counsel preparing for trial, jury trial, or roundtable discussion with the insurance adjuster if it's a civil law case, for example. That's the gist of it.
Yeah, so I know you have an extensive background with legal matters and documentation, and so what you're doing basically is simplifying the conflict resolution process and helping businesses like insurance companies put together organized information for preparation for trial, that kind of thing.
That was exactly the goal. When I started this company, I wanted to utilize all of my skills as a litigation paralegal for over 9 years in family and civil law, and kind of allow the community members who are seeking to stay away from the court to utilize the most effective way in a simplistic but yet trustworthy manner. So that's kind of why I created this, to be that conduit of that service.
Wonderful. So who's your ideal client? Who's the kind of person who might come to you for conflict resolution and mediation, for example?
I don't want to compartmentalize my clients into category, but what I like to say that anyone who faces a conflict. Do you ever feel in conflict? Is it your neighbor? Is it your? I had dog cases. I had conflict cases with the two in-laws. I had a case with between two attorneys, actually. So it really is anyone who is stuck in a conflict. And what I do, I utilize my, again, legal background in a neutral manner. Bring them together. I had landlord and tenant issues, not tissues. So those kind of work is what I do. It varies, really. So just
Great.
if that answers the question.
It does. So you and I have been working together a long time through the Small Business Development Center. Can you tell our audience a little bit about how the SBDC has helped you in your business?
Well, I really don't think I can emphasize the immense help I have received from you guys, and then from you and from Kayla, specifically in narrowing down my passion and skills. I mean, I knew I have a passion and I knew I had skills, but I didn't know how to bring them together and in synchrony in such a professional way that it would be a service. Mm-hmm. So you guys are a great way of, I advise the audience to define roughly at least their passions, what keeps them going, and the skills, what they're good at, and come to you with that. And that would be a good way to start. And that you have done an amazing job, and I cannot thank you enough. Every day, I have my business because of you and Kayla and because of this organization. I do not believe I would be here today if I hadn't utilized your services.
Those are such kind words. I'm tearing up a little bit. Well, it's been a real pleasure to work with you, and as always, we enjoy helping all of our clients make their small business dreams come true. So thank you again.
Absolutely.
So we're going to give away a couple of gift cards for watching the video today. Bentley Mediation and Drafting are sponsoring 2 $25 gift cards to Hy-Vee. So if you want to win one of these gift cards, all you have to do is comment in the video comments below. And always, make sure that you like Bentley Mediation and Drafting on Facebook. And if our viewers want to get in touch with you or learn more about you, what's the best way to do that?
I have a website, www.bentleymd.us. They can also contact me, which is the phone and contact information is all there. Of course, the Facebook page, Bentley Mediation and Drafting LLC.
Awesome. Well, thank you again, Vusa, for coming on the show.
Thank you and your entity for making this business and all the other businesses similar to mine possible.
It's our pleasure. Well, this has been another Small Biz Talk. Tune in again in 2 weeks where we'll have another Small Biz Talk waiting for you.